Task Manager. Task Manager is one of the most useful diagnostic tools built into Windows. It allows users to monitor the performance of their computer in real time by displaying information about the processor, memory, graphics card, storage devices, and network activity. It also shows every application and background process currently running on the system. If a program freezes or stops responding, Task Manager allows you to safely end that task without restarting the entire computer. Besides troubleshooting, it can also help users identify applications that consume large amounts of system resources or automatically start when Windows boots. Whether you're solving performance problems, checking hardware usage, or simply monitoring your PC, Task Manager is an essential tool for every Windows user. Disk Cleanup. Disk Cleanup is a built-in Windows utility designed to free up storage space by removing unnecessary files from your computer. Over time, Windows creates temporary files, update leftovers, cached data, and other files that are no longer needed. Disk Cleanup scans your storage drive and allows you to safely remove these items with just a few clicks. It can also empty the recycle bin and delete old Windows Update files that may occupy several gigabytes of storage. Regularly using Disk Cleanup helps keep your storage organized, provides additional free space, and can make it easier to manage your computer. Although modern versions of Windows also include Storage Sense, Disk Cleanup remains a reliable tool that millions of users continue to use. Disk Management. Disk Management is a Windows tool used to manage storage devices such as hard drives, solid-state drives, and external storage. It provides a complete overview of every storage device connected to the computer, including partitions, drive letters, and available space. Users can create new partitions, delete existing ones, format drives, change drive letters, and initialize brand new storage devices before they can be used. Disk management is especially useful when installing a new SSD or HDD because Windows often requires new drives to be initialized before they appear in File Explorer. Although it is mainly intended for advanced users and technicians, disk management remains one of the most important storage management tools built into Windows. Device Manager. Device Manager is a powerful Windows utility that displays every hardware component installed inside or connected to your computer. This includes processors, graphics cards, storage devices, keyboards, mice, network adapters, printers, USB devices, and many other components. Device Manager allows users to update drivers, disable hardware, uninstall devices, or check for hardware errors. If Windows cannot properly communicate with a device, a warning icon may appear next to it, helping users quickly identify the problem. Whether you're installing new hardware, updating drivers, or troubleshooting devices that are not working correctly, Device Manager is one of the first tools technicians use to diagnose hardware-related issues. Registry Editor. Registry Editor is one of the most advanced tools included with Windows. It provides access to the Windows Registry, a large database that stores configuration settings for the operating system, installed software, hardware devices, and user preferences. Advanced users and IT professionals often use Registry Editor to customize Windows beyond the options available in the Settings application. However, because the registry controls many important system functions, incorrect modifications can cause software problems or even prevent Windows from working correctly. For this reason, Microsoft recommends creating a backup before making changes. Although most everyday users never need to open Registry Editor, it remains one of the most powerful configuration tools built into Windows. Command Prompt. Command Prompt is a command line tool that allows users to control Windows by typing commands instead of using the graphical interface. It has been part of Windows for decades and remains one of the most powerful administrative tools available. With Command Prompt, users can manage files, diagnose network problems, repair Windows components, configure system settings, and automate repetitive tasks using scripts. Many advanced troubleshooting commands, such as checking internet connectivity or repairing damaged system files, are performed through Command Prompt. Although it may appear complicated at first because it does not use buttons or menus, learning a few basic commands can make troubleshooting and managing a Windows computer much faster and more efficient.